Hello and welcome to the Walkaround tutorial for New Holland's next generation T7 Heavy Duty with PLM Intelligence. In this video, I want to introduce you to the advanced new T7 Heavy Duty features and technologies to improve your productivity and transform the way you work. The new T7 Heavy Duty is now equipped with PLM Intelligence and our new Horizon Ultra cab featuring the new SideWinder Ultra armrest and IntelliView 12 display. The enhancements made to the new cab provides the ultimate in comfort, space, and technology to the operator. Let's take a look at these updates. Connectivity is one of the most important new features of the T7 Heavy Duty. The tractor is equipped with telematics as standard through your mobile network, allowing you to stay in touch with your tractor at all times by using a computer or smartphone. You can even send and receive real-time information about your tractor or field data, saving time and increasing productivity. My PLM Connect Advanced package offers full machine monitoring and control to help you reduce fuel costs and improve fleet management. As part of the package, the new PLM Intelligence series offers remote services. Remote display, which allows fleet managers or dealers to remotely access and look at your display to help you resolve issues or help with settings. Remote service allows remote access from your New Holland dealer to diagnose certain issues or to make service interval suggestions to keep you up and running. We all understand that time is money, and who wants to have a technician have to schedule a visit and take time out of your day to download tractor software that you need to run your operation? Now, tractor software can be downloaded remotely with a click of a button and no interruption to you. Depending on your needs, there are 3 levels of auto guidance Intellisteer features: PLM 1, 6-inch accuracy; PLM 2, 2 to 4-inch accuracy; RTK Plus, sub-inch accuracy. The benefits of auto guidance aren't new, but fuel, time, and input savings that reduce input costs and operator fatigue can't be ignored. The Intellisteer feature is also compatible with IntelliTurn, which provides intelligent end-of-row turning. This new series of tractors are equipped with Isobus Class 3 capability as standard. This is a great feature that allows the implement to control the tractor functions, such as ground speed, rear hitch position, PTO, and hydraulics. For example, Intellicruze is one of those features with our New Holland balers and the new T7 Heavy Duty series. The Intellicruze technology regulates the forward speed of the tractor depending on the swath density to ensure proper material feed rate. Tractor efficiency is increased and operator fatigue is reduced because little to no operator intervention is needed. This can make those slightly less experienced operators more efficient.